Number 5, the FMSFC X24M Land Rover Camel Trophy Edition is a 1/24 scale RC crawler that perfectly captures the adventurous spirit and rugged charm of the iconic Land Rover Defender from the legendary Camel Trophy expeditions. Built with remarkable attention to detail, this miniature off-roader features an officially licensed Land Rover body with authentic lines, realistic grills, and detailed accessories that pay tribute to the spirit of exploration. Its durable metal frame and precision-engineered chassis ensure exceptional stability and climbing performance on challenging terrains, while the powerful four-wheel drive system and high-torque motor delivers smooth and controlled crawling over rocks, mud, and uneven trails. The FCX24M also comes equipped with an advanced 2-speed transmission system that allows drivers to switch between torque-filled, low-speed crawling and higher-speed cruising for open trails. Its oil-filled shock absorbers and flexible suspension system offer superior articulation and control, making it capable of handling extreme off-road conditions with ease. Combining scale realism with powerful performance, the FMS FCX24M Land Rover Camel Trophy Edition is not just a collectible model, it's a miniature adventure machine that delivers the thrill of off-road exploration in the palm of your hand. Number 4, the FMS FCX24 Chevy K5 Blazer is a stunning 1/24 scale RC, a crawler that combines classic American truck styling with exceptional off-road performance. Inspired by the legendary full-size Chevy K5 Blazer, this miniature crawler features an officially licensed body with authentic detailing from the bold front, grille and chrome accents to the retro style, hardtop and precision molded interior that captures the vintage spirit of the original. Underneath its scale realism lies a high-performance chassis built for adventure, featuring a sturdy metal frame, 4-link suspension, and oil-filled shocks that provide impressive articulation and smooth handling across rocks, sand, and dirt. The FCX24 is powered by a robust motor paired with a 2-speed transmission, allowing users to easily switch between high-torque crawling and faster trail driving, while its 4-wheel drive system ensures reliable traction on even the toughest surfaces. With LED headlights for realistic night runs and a finely tuned proportional steering system for precise control, the FMS FCX24 Chevy K5 Blazer is more than a collectible. It's a fully capable mini crawler that brings the thrill of classic off-roading to your hands with unmatched realism and performance. Number 3, the Axial SCX2 for Deadbolt is a compact 1/24 scale RC crawler that packs serious off-road capability into a small, adventure-ready package. Designed for both beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts, the Deadbolt captures the spirit of full-sized rock crawlers with its aggressive stance, open roll cage design, and scale driver figure that adds a touch of realism. Its durable steel ladder frame provides the foundation for superior stability and strength, while the 4-link suspension system and coilover shocks allow it to flex and conquer challenging terrain with ease. Powered by a high-torque brush motor and equipped with full-time 4-wheel drive, the SCX24 Deadbolt delivers smooth, controlled crawling performance on rocks, gravel, and uneven trails. The inclusion of realistic beadlock-style wheels and grippy all-terrain tires enhances traction and climbing ability, while LED lights mounted on the front bumper make nighttime adventures possible. Despite its small size, this crawler offers impressive performance right out of the box. With proportional throttle and steering for precise control and a USB charger for convenience, the Axial SCX24 Deadbolt is a rugged, fun, and capable mini crawler that brings big adventure to tight spaces, proving that off-road excitement can come in a compact form. Number 2, the Axial SCX24 Jeep Wrangler JLU is a meticulously crafted 1/24 scale RC crawler that perfectly captures the rugged spirit and iconic design of the legendary Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Featuring an officially licensed Jeep body, it showcases remarkable attention to detail with molded doors, fenders, and grille that mirror the real off-road machine. Beneath its realistic exterior lies a highly capable chassis built on a durable steel ladder frame. providing a solid foundation for crawling over rocks, dirt, and uneven terrain. Its four-link suspension system, combined with coilover shocks, ensures excellent articulation and smooth handling, allowing it to tackle steep climbs and rough surfaces with ease. Equipped with a powerful brushed motor and a full-time four-wheel drive drivetrain, the SCX2 for Jeep Wrangler JLU delivers impressive torque and control, making it ideal for both indoor courses and outdoor trails. The proportional throttle and steering give drivers precise maneuverability, while the LED headlights enhance realism and visibility during low-light runs. Compact, yet incredibly capable. The Axial CCX2 for Jeep Wrangler JLU brings together authentic styling and superior performance, offering enthusiasts a truly far-forward experience in miniature form. Number 1. The FMS FCX2 for Power Wagon is a powerful 1/24th scale RC crawler that blends vintage truck styling with modern off-road performance. Inspired by the classic Dodge Power Wagon, this miniature crawler features a rugged retro-style body with realistic details such as molded fenders, a detailed grille, and scale accessories that give it an authentic, old-school charm. Under the hood, it boasts a solid metal frame and a highly capable four-link suspension system that provides exceptional durability and articulation across rough terrains. The FCX24 Power Wagon is equipped with a high-torque motor and a 2-speed transmission, allowing drivers to switch seamlessly between slow, precise crawling and faster trail runs. Its four-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction and stability, while the oil-filled shocks help smooth out bumps and uneven surfaces for a realistic driving experience. LED lights enhance visibility during night adventures, and the proportional steering system delivers precise, responsive control. Combining striking looks, durable engineering, and outstanding performance, the FMS FCX2 for Power Wagon stands out as a miniature powerhouse that captures the essence of classic off-roading with the fun and capability of a modern RC crawler.